Guys, welcome to the market channel. So today we'll be talking about some forex currency pairs, and just like I've been doing for some weeks ago now. So want to update what was put last week and what you're expecting this week from these currency pairs. So before we continue, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel, smash the like button, and also please kindly share the video. So let's continue. So we start with the Euro USD. This last week we expected Euro USD to move up this particular support level, to move up, then retest this level, then come down, then go up. But during this last week, the range that was unable to break this particular resistance level, so it was getting a rejection from this level. So this week, what I'm expecting US to do, because you have to check maybe on a 4 hours time frame, you will see very well. So what I'm expecting USD to do this coming week is USD to come back to this particular support level, have a little bounce again, or retest that level, then move up. But if Euro USD is unable to bounce on this level, if Euro USD break this particular level, that means we might be seeing Euro USD coming below this particular support level, which is around 1.18. So we might be seeing Euro USD coming back to this particular trend line and retest before moving up. So that was my happen in this week. So because last week Euro USD was unable to break the resistance region between 1.19 to between 1.197 to 1.193. It was unable to break that region. It was getting a rejection from that particular resistance level. So what I feel that Euro USD will do, will come back. Looking at the formation here, we come back and retest this 1.185, then go a little bit, bounce off from it, come back and retest again and move up to go up. But if this particular 1.185 can't hold Euro USD, then we might be seeing Euro USD coming down to this particular trend line, which is around 1.17. So that's what might happen this week. But it depends on the formation when the market reaches this particular level, or depends on the formation when the market opens. But these are the possible movements in which Euro USD will do this coming week. So let's check gold. Looking at the gold pair, we expected gold to have a little bit bounce for this particular region, to come and touch this particular support and move up. And gold has been doing well since it gave us this engulfing candle in that was around last week, and I said that it's a very buying opportunity for gold. That the highest thing gold can do is come to this particular level, have a little rebound on this support level, then break up. And looking at it, gold was able to break up this particular zone. So what I'm expecting in gold this forthcoming week is for gold to come to this particular resistance between 1776 to 1763. So come a little bit down, have a little bounce maybe from this zone, or it may not hit that zone, then move up and break this particular resistance level. So this is what I'm expecting. So good might buy till around 1.176, around my buy till 1776 to 1761 region. So from that place, I'm expecting a little bounce from it, for come down a little bit, then go up. So, but it's very, very possible that gold, on reaching that particular resistance level, it's possible for it to break it up once, then continue, then have a little retest from this zone, then go up like that. So very, very possible. So let's look at SND USD. Looking at SND USD, last week we expected the USD to come to this level. Around this level, it gave us an engulfing candle, and we said we expect NZUSD to what to buy to this point, but NZUSD has not been able to reach this particular level, so it's still within the support zone, still ranging the support zone. If you have to go back down to 4 hours chart, we see it's still ranging in the support zone, has not been able to what to go up, but I'm still expecting a buy trade from this NZUSD. If this can be a doji, looking at this formation, if it's end at least, I'm still expecting a buy trade from this NZUSD. I'm expecting a buy trade, expecting NZUSD to go up, come to this particular zone, then go back to this level, have a retest, then break up. That's what I'm expecting the NZUSD to do. Or once it gets to this particular place, break down back to this particular trend line. But looking at the chance is very slim. Looking at the formation, I'm expecting a buy trade higher than they said. But looking at the formation of this candle here that engulfed this previous bullish candle, it's also possible for we to see NZUSD coming back to this trend line. Come back to this trend line before going up. It's possible. So it depends on the formation that we have when the market resumes back. Let's also look at the AUD/USD before we head. Looking at AUD/USD, we expected AUD/USD to buy from this region after giving us a engulfing candle last week. So in which it's buy to this particular zone, but was unable to break it. So it's giving us a fake breakout that was unable to break it. So as it was able to break it, it's looking at it, it's even to buy to this particular region, but was unable to get to this particular trend line. But I still expect this ADS to what this coming with to buy, that is to come to this particular region, go up to this particular region, have a little bounce and go up again. I'm expecting it to do. But it's also possible for us to see AUD come back to this trend line, which is around 0.768. Yeah, but because of the rejection and the week we're having in this particular zone, I'm expecting more of a buy trade from this AUD this coming week. So looking at GPUSD also, just like I have predicted, it's following it, expecting it to come here, go up again, come down a little bit, then go from there. So looking at the rejection given us from this particular support level, we are still expecting GPUSD from this support level was 1.38 to 1.37. So we are still expecting a buy trade from this level, from this particular level. Let's check a lower time frame. So looking at the rejection given and the formation here, we are still expecting a buy trade. But it's also possible for GPUSD to come and break down and come to this lower trend line. But looking at it, the chance and the probability is very low. So that is GPUSD coming to this particular line. I feel is use this particular place to bounce up. It might not reach this particular level, then now come down again. But I still expect the buy trade from this. But there's possibility, because nothing is 100% in the market, for NZUSD, for GPUSD to come to around 1.35 zone, to come and on the test, to come and rest on the rising channel, which is on the trend line, before what continue to move up. So that's all for the pairs I'll be analyzing. So this for this first coming week. So this is what I'm expecting, the possible movement from this forex currency pairs. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe to this channel. Don't just watch this video, please subscribe. Also smash the like button. Thank you very much. God bless.